Good morning, all of you. My name is Avni. I am 8 years old. Today I am here for self manifestation. Let's start. I am powerful, truthful, and respectful. I am beautiful and helpful. I am a hard worker. I am a problem solver. I am a winner. I am improving every single day. I love to learn. I have respect for the people around. I am unique. I make each day better than yesterday. I am responsible. I am creative. I am well protected. I am intelligent. I have a wonderful memory. I work when it's time to work. I play when it's time to play. God is my companion. I am filled with love. I save money to help needy people. I love my parents and Mother Earth. Thank you and have a nice day.